8th. The ruling will be on the 8th of January also.
As the court pleases.
I'll be in Kano throughout the period until that time.
As the court pleases.
As you well know, we just buried our colleague yesterday.
Oh, it's very,
very, very heavy. Even all of us as a court, and then us as individuals. So some of these things that I said I will come back with them, I've not been able to dot the I's or cross the T's properly because one has been distracted. I've been distracted by the it has almost taken the whole week. So we thank God that is behind us. So having said all of that, I think we'll go straight to number 1 on the first list.
Case number 1.
Okay.
/39/2018 between Omolola Tawakkal to Muhammad at the Central Bank of Nigeria. One another.
Yes. No. All right. Yes. Appearance by counsel.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Zede Miyaki.
Zede Miyaki.
For the claimants, my lord.
For the claimants.
Yes.
All right. For the defendants.
Respectively, my lord.
Yes.
My name is M.H. Ahmed for the first defendant, my lord.
M.A.
M.H. Ahmed.
M.H. Aminu.
Dr. N.A. Ayagi.
Okay, holding the brief of
Dr. N.A. Ayagi.
N.A.
Ayagi. Yes, my lord.
Ayagi. For the first defendant.
Yes, my lord, for the first defendant.
All right, for the second defendant.
May please, my lord, I am A.U. Uzu.
A.U. Uzu.
My appearance. Yes, my lord, my appearance.
It's for the second defendant.
Is for the second defendant.
All right, sirs. I can see all of you now.
Yes, my
okay,
lord.
So we are going to be very brief. I'll go to the piece of the judgment. I'm here in Abuja. You are there in Kano. I don't know how strong the signal will hold. So I have to pass on the main piece of the judgment so that next week I'm on ground in Kano. So all of this will be sorted. You can have access to the fuller details. All right. So we all know what the claims are in this matter. So I will not bother reading all of that. I will just go to the piece. It's just about the summary of a paragraph. So judgment in this case is entered for the claimant in the first head of claim that the claimant's name be removed from the black book and miscellaneous offenses register with both defendants confirming the position forthwith. This decision is reached on the facts and the evidence in the case before me. And to the second head of claim, for declaration, that head of claim does not succeed. The fuller details are in the judgment, does not succeed. I can't go into all of them. And the third head of claim for damages does not succeed. First, the third head of claim for damages against the defendants did not succeed. Parties to bear their own costs. Parties to bear their own costs.
Well, grateful, my lord.
All right, then. Thank you.
Thank you for the judgment, my lord.
All right. So let's go on to number 2.
Case number 2. NICN/AVJ/227/2020 between academic academic sub-union, and 3 other departments, Agricultural Studies, Council of Nigeria, and 5 others.
Number 2 is okay, Asuka. Is that?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Alpha. Okay. All right. Now, after reading through the averments and the addresses in all the processes, the preliminary objection filed by the defendants is dismissed. And regarding the originating summons, the first question for determination is answered in the negative. The second question is also answered in the negative. And as a consequence, the claims of the claimant succeed. That is, the claim for declaration in all the heads of claim succeeds as prayed.
As court pleases.
And the judgment is entered accordingly.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord, for the well-considered judgment. We're grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, my lord.
Right.
Judgment.
Okay. Now, can we go on to number
2? Number 2, my lord did not take our appearances. I don't know if that is not considered.
Are you the same appearance in your? Sorry. I was just.
I'm for the claimant in.
I know. That was an omission on my part. I thought I was
having the same parties as the first one.
Yes. Largely because of you, Zede Meyaki.
Yes, my lord.
For the claimants. I'm a bit apprehensive about the signals because the last time we tried Zoom, we were terribly frustrated. That was a match this year. So
yeah.
And this is our last working day. I cannot be, and this is the linchpin of all the work we have been doing for this quarter. So who is the counsel for the defendants?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
May it please this court.
Abubakar
Shuaib.
Okay.
For the 6th defendant, respondent.
For the 6 defendants?
Yeah.
All right.
I am also, my lord, holding the brief of Tajuddin for the 1st and the 2nd.
Only the brief of Tajuddin Shitu.
Tajuddin Shitu.
For the 1st
and the 2nd applicant.
2nd defendant. Okay. Is there another counsel in the matter? Any other counsel in the matter? So you have had my determination largely. The preliminary objection is dismissed, and then the claims of the claimant succeeds, following from the questions for determination that were set in the originating summons.
Thank you, my lord.
All right, so let's go on to number 3.
That's number 3. NICN/10/20/2015 between Nasidi Ismail Yusuf versus Guarantee Trust Bank.
Okay, appearance by counsel.
Wait, please.
Okay. Yes. Yes, can I hear you?
AI Lawrence.
Yeah, AI Lawrence. I can tell by the face.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for the
defendant, GT Bank.
For the defendant, GT Bank.
Yes.
All right. Who is for the claimant?
It's Mukadam. It appears is not online.
Oh. All right. This is the court's judgment.
As the court
part of the facts of this case is that the claimant voluntarily resigned in 2012. He sued the defendants in 2015 for the balance of his benefits, that is his gratuity of 48 weeks for every completed year contained in part 6.21 of the handbook. I think that is Exhibit C in this case. He had worked for the defendants for 15 years. Now, the judgment of the court is that the claimants, having confirmed that he was paid the sum of 425,000 naira as the remaining part of his gratuity, that is the cause of the hearing. I have read paragraph 6.21 of Exhibit C. It does not say basic salary per annum or basic salary per month. It merely states, and I quote, the amount calculated based on the basic salary and the number of years, end quote. I hold that this provision does not mean that the defendant must pay the claimant the sum he is claiming based on his annual basic salary, which is not so stated in the relevant part of clause 6.21 reproduced above. The case of the claimant does not succeed and is dismissed hereby. No awards as to cost, and judgment is entered accordingly.
As court pleases.
Please. We are most grateful, Your Lordship. Thank you, sir.
All right. So, number 4.
Yes, my lord. Number 4, NICN/KN/29/2022 between Aminu Gambo versus Legal Aid Council of Nigeria.
Yes, Aminu Gambo versus Legal Aid Council. Appearance. Any counsel in the matter?
Yeah. You are in the matter?
Yes.
Yes, my lord, he's in the matter.
What's his name?
My name is Aminu Nura Mukhtar. Holding the brief of Oseni Oba Gayeme, Oseni Abo Gayeme for the defendant.
For the defendant?
Yes, my lord.
All right. The claimant is unrepresented.
It appears that the claimant is unrepresented.
Anyway, the judgment of the court in this case, in a nutshell, is that the case of the claimant does not succeed.
As court please.
As court, please.
And is consequently dismissed.
As court pleases.
Judgment is entered accordingly. No awards to costs.
As court pleases.
Thank you, my lord. We are most grateful.
Thank you. So I think go on to number 5.
Yes, number 5. NICN/KN/01/2018 between Kabir Isa versus Viva Metal and Plastic Industries Limited.
Kabir Isa.
Of course, my lord.
Yes. Now, appearance by counsel. Can you hear me? Kamfa?
Yes, my lord.
You are there with Bafa. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Who are the lawyers? Tell me their names. I can see them. I can't, but this one, I can't.
There is Abdullah Ibrahim, my lord.
Oh, Abdullah Ibrahim.
Yeah, for the claimant.
Okay, I saw him on the motorcycle just a while ago.
Yes, he is riding motorcycle, exactly. Maybe he's rushing to.
All right. For
the claimant, my lord.
For the claimant, okay.
Yes, my lord.
And then for the defendant?
C.A. Adolo, my lord.
C.A. Adolo himself?
Yes,
may I please, my lord? I am Moses Stephen Onu Esquire.
With who?
Moses Stephen.
The defendant, my lord.
Okay.
Moses Stephen Onu.
Moses
Onu.
Stephen.
Onu.
For the defendant, eh?
Yes, my lord.
I'm appearing for the defendant. Yes, sir. Yes, my lord.
All right.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Let us just go in straight. Part of the facts of this case is that the defendants closed down this the factory, the industry, sometime in 2016, and this suit was filed in 2018. That is the 23rd of January 2018. The claim is for compensation for injury sustained in the claimant's left eye, which occurred in the course of the defendant's employment, because of the claimant's employment with the defendants, and other facts in the matter is that the claimant was employed sometime in 2010, and the accident occurred on the 13th November 2013, which caused injury to the left eye of the claimants. Now, the court's decision, that is the pitch of the judgment, is this: it is not denied that the claimant's injury was caused while working for the defendants in the defendant's plants and premises. The injury to the eye is described in Exhibit C, the medical report indicating permanent and irreversible blindness in the claimant's left eye. By Exhibit 124, the letter offering compensation of 241,000 naira to the claimant, compensation was offered to the claimant, which he refused. The long and short of the matter are contained in the facts of the case stated earlier in the judgment. And I find from them and do hold that the claim of the claimant succeeds in part, in that the said sum of 241,000 naira be paid forthwith by the defendants to the claimants. General damages of 1 million naira be paid for the injury sustained by the claimant, and cost of 300,000 naira is awarded the claimant as cost of the action. Judgment is entered accordingly.
As court pleases.
As court pleases. Thank you, my lord.
All right. So that is which is the next one? Call it.
Yes, my lord. Case number 6, NSN/KN/10C/2023 between Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Julia Mary.
All right. Appearance by counsel.
Wait, please, my noble lord.
What about the accused person? Oh, she is in court.
He's with us, my lord.
All right.
He's around.
Okay. Wait, please, my noble lord.
This is a criminal case.
Yes,
my lord. Yes, okay. So the claimant, the defendant is present. The defendant. Sorry, I said claimant instead of a defendant.
Court pleases.
The defendant. Okay, that's Nuruddin.
Yes, my lord.
Are you back from your leave?
I'm saying, well, I'm still on the leave, Sha.
Okay, so you are all right. But you can attend court. Right? Thank God for technology.
Yeah. Thank you, my lord.
Defendant present. Defendant present. And now appearance by counsel.
May it please my noble lord, Hassan
Yes.
Nuruddin, my humble appearance for the prosecution, my lord.
For the prosecution.
As court pleases.
All right. Now, yes. For the defendant, I can see counsel looking at me. Are you not hearing me? What's your name? Bafa. Kamfa Aladu. Can you not all hear me?
We can hear you, my lord. Probably his network.
Seems like they have a network issue.
Network issue.
Okay, Nuruddin, you can hear me.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, there's this female counsel. Who is she also in the matter?
No, she's not in the matter, my lord.
She's okay. Another case. And now I'm calling my court staff there, the registrars, the court clerks that are there in the court. I want to make sure they hear me. There's this counsel that is just staring into the monitor. I want to make sure that. Can I hear you? Can you see yourself? The gentleman. Are you in this matter? Bafa. Mr. Nuruddin.
Yes, my lord, I can hear you, my lord. They have a network issue, yes.
That is why I've been a bit. I've been a bit worried. But at least we have gone. We have gone some way. We're almost rounding up.
Yes, so my lord.
I will still be able to come up with the judgment. The pit of the judgment in this case is this. I will sort out the issue of any pending appearance, maybe due to some glitches we are having with the audio. I'll do that with my people when I get back online with them. Because they are the center of it. They hello, Bafa. Tampa. Okay. So the pit of the judgment is that from the facts of the case, the defendant is discharged and acquitted. Yes, I find and I hold that she herself was as much a victim of the offense of human trafficking, like PW1, and not a perpetrator of the crime for which she was charged, as the facts show. As the facts show that the real perpetrator, as being at large.
As court pleases.
As court pleases.
As a consequence, she is discharged and acquitted, and she is to be set at liberty immediately.
As the court pleases.
We are most grateful, my lord. Thank you for the well-considered judgment.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Now this is where this something now comes in again. Papa. Yes. Have you been hearing me? Bafa.
My lord, we are with you, my lord.
Okay, now, so who is the other counsel in this Julius Mary case?
In this case, Mary, my lord, it's Mary Julius.
He said his name is what? Henry Julius?
Mary Julius, my lord. Federal Republic of Nigeria
So who is the counsel for
the
the other
counsel
part?
for the first defendant.
Yes.
For the second for the defendant. Yeah, for the defendant.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that counsel in court there?
No, my lord. We are only for the defendant. Yeah.
All right.
Yes, my lord.
All right. Let's go on to the next case, please. Or are we through? Are we through?
Yes, my lord. That is the last case. That is the last
the
case.
last thing. Last case. So in essence, we have delivered 6 now.
Yes, my lord. It's number 6 in the list.
Okay. So Datidi Ismail, Kabiru, or Motola.
Yes, my lord.
Hello? Kamfa. I think that is the end of the proceedings for now.
My lord, we were scheduled for today. I don't know why we're not on the course list.
For adoption?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, is that
Amira Ahmed from
Amira
NSITF. Yes, my lord.
Okay, NSITF.
Yes, my lord.
Let us do it in January, January 8th.
Yes, my lord. Okay, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Let us do it January 8th.
Okay, my lord. Thank you, my
Sorry
lord.
about that. We just, like I was saying, we just buried our colleague yesterday, and it's not quite the same.
Okay, my lord. It's understood, my lord.
Even the court too is mourning. The court is heavy. The court is grieving.
Most definitely, my lord. Most definitely.
So we'll take. We are all human beings, and so let us pace ourselves a bit. So on that note, I think the court will be rising now.
Sorry, my lord. Good afternoon, my lord.
Yes, who is speaking?
But AA Barde, my lord.
Yeah, in respect of which matter?
Is Academic Staff Union of Colleges of Agriculture.
I just delivered that. Now the details, everything, will have all the details next week now when I come.
Oh, okay, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
All right.
Thank you.
So we rise.
Sorry,
What rise?
Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Who am I talking to now?
Abdullah Ibrahim, my lord.
Abdullah Ibrahim, your matter. Yes, I have recorded your appearance. I saw your visual. I saw you.
Thank you very much, my lord.
For Viva Metal. When you meet Kamfa and Bafa, they will be able to give you the details I supplied.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We are most grateful, my lord.
All right.
My lord, I am Lawal. My lord.
Lawal?
I am Lawal.
Lawal?
I am Lawal.
IF Lawal. In which respect of which matter?
Mary Julius, Federal Republic of Nigeria, versus Mary Julius.
Oh, the name again?
Federal Republic of
Nigeria. You are counsel for the defendants.
Yes, my lord.
I've been seeing your face now. Well, I think that was when we lost some bit of sound. I was asking them back and forth to tell me the name of the lawyer, or the audio is fully back. It will be reflected in the judgments. Your appearance is captured. So Kamfa, Can you hear me?
Yes, my
The
lord.
court will rise, eh? The court will rise.
As the judgment be delivered.
Oh,
As court, please.
ya aka yi mata haka.
Delivering judgment. Ya tashi a yi. Sai mu je mu yi.
wa malako.
Ya magana da ni. Din kes din shi.
Shikenan kotu ta tashi ko?
Kuma na tibas sun yi connect amma suna can.
Amma dai ba su yi a fiyarin a'a okay lokacin da yake tambayan wannan kesan ai lokacin muke losing signal wannan din